physically, spiritually, I invested in you. Do you have a clue what you're about to go through? Psychologically, how many get over this shit view? Smells like murder, my sister, that's my point of view. Praises are due to the most high. Why even try to go against the cycle of life? You my soon-to-be wife, but I got beef with this, I ain't gonna tell you twice. Whenever you talk about it, my body get cold like ice. And all of a sudden, you say I'm not so nice. I can't even imagine it, how you sit around planning it. I ain't having it, unless you having it. Plus I'll be peeping your chart for a hot minute.
I admit it, there's a piece of you in my heart, but the rest when I must part. No way, I wanna leave, but I need to have my peace. I'm prepared to be full blown. From years from now, who knows? All this drama going on, I may well be on my own. I love you with all my being, but my side you don't see. Can't be a mom with ease, cause on my hand I wear no ring. I know deep down you mean well, but on this issue, I don't even wanna dwell. Oh well, you say it's against your religion, but with God will be forgiven. But it's funny how you didn't think so when you was hitting it.
Bought abortion? Come on now, you know that's illegitimate. Check out that shit that happened to your cousin. For the sake of one, now she can never have none. Why she had to go and do what she done? Biggest taboo where I'm from. You ain't a woman, you ain't shining until you had some. Plus you good and ready, we going steady, so don't do the dumb. Your mother, she says that I'm a bum. Baby, you see how hard I'm working on this album. Financial stability soon come. Promise I will run it if I got it. We're sharing it every crumb. So girl, prepare to be a mom.
Listen up, son, I hear you when you say you be proud to stake your claim. But have you thought if it would say the same about you? Hey, you're still my boo, but this one in one makes two. Plus Pop's gonna raise the roof when he finds out what we've been up to. You call it murder cause I'm taking out a life. But what about mine? I can't handle stress and strife. 2 years out of school, my whole life's ahead of me, boo. If I can't raise it right, that'll be the real taboo. Should've thought of all the questions before the hot, passionate sexing. You want responsibility, bringing out the woman in me. Emotionally, spiritually, physically, I'm not ready.
If it feels like murder, then it must be murder. That's the way I feel.
9 months come with the bell, but can you still keep the real?
Yes, I will.
Well, I'm just too young.
Well, that's not good enough for me. So many killers, you're one, you're just another.
Hold up, good loving. You give it to me, begging you be a good father.
Yes, I can.
Hello, who this? Rockstone Residence.
Where my girl at?
Who this?
Yo, put my girl on the phone.
Oh, it's you. I told you not to be calling around here no more.
You heard me, put my girl on the phone.
Yo.
Girlfriend, don't even pay him no mind, he just tripping. Hey, how you doing? What's up with you, girl? I'm just mad stressed out over this pregnancy issue.
Girlfriend, you know the deal. Had that baby, we can't chill. I'm not saying don't have none, but you're young, you need to have fun. Think about it, what would life be without chilling with your girlfriend? Swollen in my man's Benz, confusion and cleanse. I could go on and on, but girl, you know it never ends. So now I guess you have a clue. Tell me what you gonna do, remind you. You hardly have enough to feed you, then to make it two. Your man talking about he working on his album, which is true, but rappers come and go like presidents. How you gonna pay your rent? I done thought so much about my three, I feel like my head got dense. Look at me and look at thee. Her man left and now all she do is smoke weed, cause she trying to exceed. You talk about a sin, having a chill, you can watch me to sin. Be like thee, but instead get drunk off a gin. Get rid of it, girl, cause you're throwing your life in the bin. You're my girl, so I wanna do what's right, not wrong. I would love to see I told you so when the baby is born.
If it feels like murder, then it must be murder. That's the way I feel.
9 months come with the bell, but can you still keep the real?
Yes, I will.
Well, I'm just too young.
Well, that's not good enough for me. So many killers, you're one, you're just another.
Hold up, good loving. You give it to me, begging you be a good father.
Yes, I can. If it feels like murder, then it must be murder. That's the way I feel.
9 months come with the bell, but can you still keep the real?
Yes, I will.
Well, I'm just too young.
Well, that's not good enough for me. So many killers, you're one, you're just another.